I'm so sorry. It's been so long since I did a video.
It's been a long time since you used your hands or something? Or
From the top. From the top, make it drop, make it wet, wet, wet. You want me to do the little, ow? Because you guys been commenting down below that I am ugly and you guys do not want to see my face, so you're just gonna be hearing my voice and no longer my face. To get started, we're gonna be teaching you guys how to disinfect your ride using Hyperband. Hyperband is a disinfectant.
Yeah, karate chop!
Mama said there'd be days like this. It's real cold, actually. Oh yeah. Colder than a well digger's ass, if you ask me.
I'm gonna do that flip. Ready? Ready? I'm old. Today, I'm gonna be showing you guys how amazing this blower.
Get in my Benz. Get in the Benz.
Jason, this is you versus the guy she tells you not to worry about right here. Okay?
I like this one better because it's dirty. Move on to the next. Violation. Don't film my butt.
Wee woo, wee woo, wee woo. Did Seven get a mom yet? You know what, guys? You guys go on a date our camera guy, Jason. He's lonely. He has a dog named Seven. Hit us up at teamchemicalguysdatejason.com. Is that another thing?
Why would it be a thing?
Anyways, guys, let's start. How I like to explain detailing is a painting. The more you add to your painting, the better you get. So say, for example, you have no type of clouds in your painting and you have some type of clouds, it's going to make your painting look a lot much better.
Happy little clouds.
I don't know what else to say. We talk about the guy, talk about the guy, talk about that guy. Got the wheels here. We'll see you guys in the next one, and happy detailing. That crow.
Why is it so windy underneath the plane? There should be no wind here. Although I guess that's what makes the plane fly, so. Thinking about it. So we're gonna go ahead and get our bucket all activated.
This is behind the scenes how we prep for you guys. All right, stand up.
Why so much tape?
No, we don't need no more. Always follow the linear motions, not like the ocean. Jason likes the ocean because he's a surfer and he likes going to dunk diving anytime, anywhere. Right, Jason? You like it wet?
It's true. I do duck dive. I dive too.
He does a spinner also.
Next time on part 2 of the series with Kevin's car.
Michael and Kevin's car.
Cool. All right. 3. Sorry, what?
No. Just, I'm on the way.
Jason, I'm falling apart.
You can see this is the after, right? And this is the before. This is exactly how you would do this on a car if you have a car instead of a plane. I mean, I don't know how you get through LA traffic, but.
In 3, 2, with many coming in and out.
Not rocket science. You guys saw me here.
Then we're gonna use our all in the details boar's head. Boar's detailing. Boar's head. It's like salami.
If I can do it, you can do it. And if you can do it, I can do it. And if Jason can do it, we can all do it.
If I can do it, anyway.
If aliens can do it, we probably can't do it. There's a lot to do it. Nike, just do it. Oh, look. Oh, it's crooked. More energy, Jay.
Yeah?
Yeah, you need
Really?
more. Yes.
Do I sound low?
Yes.
Should I redo it?
Yes.
Okay.
I don't want to freaking
All right, let's do it.
tell you,
I'm
but.
gonna let your feet off me. Here we go. All right. Here we go. Now. Here we go. Okay.
All right.
So, right? I love shaking my protein shakes or like my bottles or
Your
stuff
meat.
like that. My meat. It's like salami.
Summer's here, which means, I hope you guys have been working on your summer bod.
Problem is, the subtitles will cost you a fortune, right? Subtitles brought to you by steakhouse.
What is that, mate? It's gorilla from Safari.
So I'm entertaining these people, and they go, "Oh, we'd like to go to steakhouse," and I've never been there. I go, "Yeah, sure." So we're drinking. I've been drinking for an hour, and they go, "Let's get some food." I'm like, "All right, let's get some food." And I said to the girl, I said, "Oh, I'll have the Queensland prawns as long as they're from Queensland." And she's like, "I don't know, let me go check." She's like, "On the menu it says Queensland prawns." She comes back and goes, "No, they're not from Queensland." I'm like, "Where are they from?" She goes, "I don't know, I'll go check." She came back and said, "I don't know." I said, "Well, if they're not from Queensland and you don't know where they're from, I'm probably not going to put them in my body." So I said, "I'll have the Australian land, as long as it's Australian." She goes, "No, it's not Australian."
So we're also repairing our buckets, our
I was like, "Is anything on this menu from Australia?" And then
The
she
names.
left and came back, and the security guard goes, "You need to leave."
And that's where the meme was born.
You need to leave. Where's he at? Guys, so if you guys want to see, what's his name? Manny the Mantis, next time on our YouTube channel, like, comment, subscribe. Where's he at? He's on your back. I'm walking to meet him like that. Say hello. Say hello. Where's he at, Jason? Yeah.
Check out that metallic flake, man. Make your eyeballs fall out. And the Night's Watch.
Now this product is great because it revitalizes that fresh, brand new car feel. Anyways, oh!
25, 18, 11 and a half. 25, 18, 11 and a half. 25, 18, 11 and a half. 18, 4, 11 and a half. 25, 18. 25, 18, 11 and a half. 18, 4, 11 and a half. All right. Need a hug.
What a guy, huh? All right.
Yo, man. Hey, man. You're on tranquilizers, man. You know what a ham bone is?
All right, Jason, let's go about this.
Do you want to know what a ham bone is?
All right, what's a ham bone? Ham bone.
It's an instrument, but it's not. It's just your body. You just play with your. This is ham boning.
You play with yourself?
That's ham boning.
Hey, I know it's almost Thanksgiving, but you're doing the turkey dance right now. That sounds very weird.
This is ham boning. All right. See you guys next time.
My name is Joey. This is Chemical Guys Detail Garage. I'm over here moving like a rapper, and I'll see you guys next time. Woo!
See you later. Bye. I'm gonna shut this camera off now. Bye. 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 We're gonna have Henry finish this car up. All right.
What was that?
Done. Get out of here. We'll do it live.
One more
Hey,
ham bone.
we got water coming in. Incoming.
One more ham bone.
Oh yeah, you're supposed to use your knee, I think.
And we're cut.